Sage CRM is highly adaptable. Its translation features allows a system administrator to adapt standard field names and selection lists to suit a company's terminology with just a few clicks. And we're going to look at one of these mechanisms now, which is inline translation. This is the simplest way, perhaps, of renaming captions in one or multiple languages. Now, I'm logged on here as a system administrator, and I'm looking at the company summary screen, and this company has a need to change the field caption SLA. Now, the company needs to change this away from SLA to service level or service agreement. And so in order to change the caption of this field, I need to switch over into the administration screens and then enter that customization area. And within that, I need to be able to click on here, the translations. So to enable inline translation mode, I need to check the box. And you can see now that every caption has a little star next to it. These stars, you can see these on the right-hand side of each text line, is a shortcut to a hyperlink, or it's a hyperlink to the caption record within the translations area. Now I'm going to switch back into the company summary screen. And inline translation mode makes the screen look a little strange because it interacts with some of the generated HTML that draws the page. But I'm going to click on the star next to the label SLA, and you can see a screen has popped up. And what I can do now is to change the captions. Once the captions have been changed, I can save the record. And I could change any of the captions within the system like this. So the screen has not yet been refreshed, but I can now return to the administration screens where I can turn off inline translation. So now I can return to the company summary screen, and we can see the field has been renamed.